So until I can fix the second floor, so for this year I'm just going to add some insulation into the attic. And this is a Sekisui steel house, a steel frame house. So the space is very limited. It's impossible to crawl in there. It's too low. Like two reasons. One is too low. Second one is we can't stand on the ceiling because they're just suspended ceilings. So I have to make holes into the ceiling to push it in. And here we go. So that's the insulation. And I remove one of the ceiling tiles. So it's one advantage of having ceiling tiles. You can, if you have some trouble, you can go up in there. And then I'll show you how little space there is up there. So you can see the ceiling is like about not even 2 by 2, it's 1.5 by 1.5, it's quite small. So this is the one side, right? And that highest looks like it's about 40 centimeters plus the braces, so it's pretty hard to move in there. And that's the other end. Secret weapon. So this is just an old PVC pipe, and then I add a nail at the end to be able to push it in, because obviously I can't reach up way that far. So the people that put the insulation, they don't live in the houses, so you can see there. I hope you can see. So there are many spots that there's no insulation at all. And like over there, there's quite a few spots. And so what that means is that in the winter, when the room is heated, that creates condensation. And the dark spot is where there's no insulation. See, you see exactly where that one is and this one there. So that means that you got hot air from inside and cold air, and that creates condensation, and eventually that could rot the ceiling. I have to cut them so they don't go over the joist, or the truss I should say. So, Sekisui house, they have a different method. My first stick was too short, so I made a long one. This is more than 2 meters. The other one was only about 1.7. So hopefully I can get it in. Small pieces for the edges, they are easier to handle. There we go. Much easier. I used the long one on the other side, it was really hard. All right, so the job is finished, and you can see the ceiling. I reclosed that hole. So the difference was instant. Like the first night after I put the insulation in, it was so much warmer than before. And now it's middle of winter, so it's colder. I guess fortunately for us, this winter is not so cold, but it made an instant difference. So if you're looking to do that at your house, it's one of the most cost-effective way to warm up your house until you can do bigger renovations. All right, thank you for watching.